Hey everyone, if n8n is not connecting to your apps or services, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. n8n depends on external services, so if your connection is weak or unstable, it may fail to connect or sync properly. Next, check your credentials. Open the credentials section in n8n and make sure your API keys, tokens, or login details are correct and still valid. Expired or incorrect credentials are one of the most common reasons for connection issues. Now try reconnecting the app. Disconnect the integration, then connect it again. This refreshes the connection and can fix temporary authentication problems. Also check permissions. Some apps require specific permissions to function correctly, so make sure you've granted all required access during setup. Missing permissions can prevent n8n from connecting properly. Make sure your n8n version is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes and improved compatibility with external services. So, updating can solve hidden issues. If it's still not connecting, check the logs. Logs can show whether the request is failing due to an API error, network issue, or configuration problem. And that's it. That's how you fix n8n connection issues and get everything working smoothly again. Hey everyone.